Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 139 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you one of the few tree collars that I have, and I'll do a video on each one so I could spend time on each one instead of hurrying it up throughout the garden. So let me flip the camera around. So right over here, we're going to start with, I believe this is named the Big Blue. I cut it back severely because you can see I planted it here. Let me zoom in. I planted it right there, it started growing up, and then it fell over, which is fine, I don't mind. But the thing is, it started growing really crazy during the cool weather. When it's getting hotter, it's stunted. So it doesn't look the best, but it's still alive. You can see I believe it is crossed with Tuscan kale or dinosaur kale. Beautiful. I will admit about this plant, out of all of them so far, I was a little worried about it in the beginning, but when it starts getting more mature, as you see the base, I don't know if you hear that. When it starts getting more mature, a lot less bugs. You can see there's not many bites anywhere, okay? Especially compared to other ones I'm gonna be showing soon. And I think it's the best tasting one too. So the Big Blue. And when it's cooler months, the leaves are a lot larger than this and more succulent. Right now they're tough, so I really wouldn't want to eat from this right now. So anyways, let's go to the other ones. Happy gardening, bye.